Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off Safe Search on Google. So let's go to just a search term, and then we can go to all our images. But go to the top right and click your little profile icon. Then go on down. There is an option under here now for Safe Search. So just go to that, and we can easily disable this. So here it is, and it says it's blurring on. So if we select this, we have filter, blur, or completely off. So let's turn it off right now. And if you are on an account, maybe you have some sort of like child protection or parental control on, that option is not going to display for you. You could try turning it off. There's one setting under here. It's called clean browsing. So if we go to settings right here and then go on down, go to where it says privacy and security, go to security and just change the DNS provider from clean browsing on over to just Google public DNS and then restart Chrome. So if you go ahead and remove those parental controls, you should be able to operate Safe Search off, or maybe you're going to have to get permission from an actual person on your network who runs it. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.